Okay, I am back and done, and the tags for day 2 are completed. I do apologize for so much fast forwarding. I took so much more time on the first tag than I thought I was going to, that I just kind of rushed through the second tag and didn't really record it like I would normally. So I'll walk through very quickly the first one, which you saw most of, sewing around the base of the tag. And then I just took different pieces from the ephemera pages, cut them out, and did a little something different to each one of them, or most of them anyway. This one has the 4 little brads in the corner. Those are Tim Holtz brads, mini ones. This one has Seth Apter's baked texture in vintage beeswax on top of it. This one doesn't have anything. This one has Wink of Stella in clear. Ooh, yeah, you can see it on top of it, just in the background, the red background. This metal tag is just a number 2, and it's attached with some wire up here at the top. This one also has the vintage beeswax on it. This one just has the eyelet. Nothing else there. This one also has Wink of Stella on it in the red. Yeah, you can see that. Yay. And then the tag, which of course is also from the kit. I've got it raised in the background a little bit. And then I added just a tiny touch of silver. Ooh, there, you can kind of see it. Just a tiny touch of silver metallic wax to it, just to give it a little bit of a, it just ages it a little bit more, gives it a little bit more of a vintage look. Then on the back, I put Christmas postage paid, and then I used the green gingham from the Pages kit from the Festive Dispatch Pages. And then the rest of these pieces are from Festive Dispatch ephemera. On the second tag, same thing. I sewed around the edge first of the tag. I printed it smaller, so we have 2 different sizes on the tag. I added it to a chipboard base. On the chipboard base, I put gesso down first. Then just around the edges, I used a darker green. I used sap green hue. Let that dry thoroughly. And then I came back on top of it with peeled paint and distress paint. Let that dry thoroughly. And then I sanded it down lightly. Sanded the edges a little bit. Inked the edges up. And then I went over the top of this. You can see it. Let's see if I can get it to turn. You can see that sparkle. I went over the top of this with a stamp from Tracy Fox Creative. In the background, it's very subtle, but you can see, I wish it would show, but it's not going to. Oh, there it goes. You can kind of see that grid pattern in the background. Very subtle. Just adds a little bit of sheen to the background you can't really tell exactly what it is, but that's actually what I wanted. Okay, from there, building up then, once I got that all done, I just started kind of assembling pieces. This is a cash register key, the number that pops up, not the key that you type, the price in the window of the cash register. You know, those old ones that popped up. This is just corrugated cardboard here in the back with a little bit of gesso on top. Then we have some vintage pin nibs that I put some silver wax on. So we've got one here and then the 2 down here. Some buttons. There's 3 buttons on here. There's one tucked back here. There's one here and then one here. The watch face and an optometrist lens. And then very, very back here in the back, which you can kind of barely see it here and here, is a metal, it was a little thin metal frame that I cut in half. This is from a vintage ledger. That's real vintage handwriting. And I just rolled it up. The idea is that these are the names. These are people's names. And they really are people's names. I can't tell what they say. I think it's Ferguson here. And then, let's see, what else? Is that everything? And then the envelope on top. The envelope is from Tracy's kit also. And I cut it apart to create a kind of a real envelope. And this is just some DMC floss tucked on the back. You open it up and there's a little card in here that says December 25th, which is also from the kit. It does come out. There it goes. But it's snug. And you could actually leave that open like that if you wanted to. But just a little card trimmed down from one of the ephemera pieces in the kit. Let's see if I can get that in there straight. It is snug, but it does fit. And then I've added a little brad here. I mean, I left this, you can see it, but I've added the brad here, just loose enough to where this floss will pop underneath here, sometimes more easily than others. Depends on whether or not it's being cooperative and whether or not my fingers will cooperate. It's a little fiddly, but that just pushes over that over the top there and then hangs down. What else? Oh, and then on the very top of everything, I added some Deco Art Snow-Tex here, which I love. And I'm using that also on a project, my current project, Frosted Forest, which is also a Tracy Fox Creative Kit. So by the way, go check that one out too. And let's see, what else? That's it. Oh, the back, I used the red gingham. So the red and the green gingham are from the pages, and everything else was from the ephemera. So I hope you enjoyed this. I really wanted to do two things that were very similar but very different. So the idea is that there's, a collection of things arranged to create, just a fun little interesting tag to look at in both cases. And so I do hope you enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun. And I hope you come back, not back here. Well, I hope you do come back here, but go back to the calendar, which is also linked in my description box along with the kits and all the other information. That calendar, you click on the day of the month and it will take you to a different designer or a different crafter for each day, and they will be making something different. So nobody else will be making a tag using this background. Something a little different every single day. You are going to see a ton of talent, inspiration, great ideas, all of the above, well worth a few minutes every single day. So with that, I would say thank you. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for participating in December Daily Advent, and enjoy the rest of the month. Bye-bye.